Good morning, students. Today I am going to take class on a very vital and important organ of human being and animal. I am going to take a class on human heart, which pumps more than 1 lakh times in a day, without which living things cannot survive. So, before taking MMTTC class, I would like to thank MMTTC Pondicherry University for giving me opportunity. I am Dr. MMTTC Sports Officer of Government College Silwan. So, the learning outcome of this class is students will know about the anatomy of the heart. Students will know about the different functions of the heart. Students will learn about the chamber of the heart, and they will know about what are the functions of heart. So first we will describe about the anatomy of the heart. Heart is the fist in structure, like fist. So here I would like to elaborate in here. The length of heart, length is from here, longest part from here, it is 12 cm near above. So the breadth is again, it is 8 to 9 cm. The length is 12 and breadth is 8 to 9. The width means this one, width is around 6 cm near above. The heart lies in between the lungs and behind the ribs and above the diaphragm. There is diaphragm and above the diaphragm. So these are the anatomy and structures of visual structures of heart. Now I would like to explain about the layer of the heart. Everything is having layer or cell wall, like cell is having cell wall, so heart is also having layer. The layer of heart is always elaborated with cardium. The word cardium is always related with heart. Suppose if you go to doctors, the specialized doctor, what we call? It is called cardiologist. We don't call them heartiologists, we call always cardiologists. Same way, here you can see, there is the outermost layer, it is called epicardium, and the middlemost myocardium, and the inside one it is called endocardium. We know that the inside is always called endo, and the middle one is always called myo, and the outer side is always called epi. So there are three chambers. What are those? Epicardium, myocardium, and endocardium. Understood up to here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we will move to next. The next is I am going to explain about chambers of heart. So I would like to explain it in blackboard. Students come here. There is just a diagram, normal diagram of heart. Here you can see the heart is actually having 4 chambers, like we are having room. Again, heart is having also the room. So there are left side and right side. If you put your hand in here, the left side will indicate the right portions, and the right side will indicate the left portions. So heart is divided two parts: right atrium, then right ventricles, left atrium, and left ventricles. Okay, understood here?
Yes, sir.
So how many layers are there?
4 sides.
Okay, very good. There are 4 layers in the heart. One is right atrium, then left atrium, then right ventricles, and left ventricles. Up to here, clear? So now I will explain about the circulations of heart. You know that there are different kind of circulation in different part of body. Heart supplies the blood. So there are different kind of circulations. First one is pulmonary circulation. In pulmonary circulation, what happens? They are deoxygenated blood. Blood, there is two parts divided. One is deoxygenated and another one is oxygenated. Here you can see in the diagram, this is superior vena cava and this is inferior vena cava. What do you mean by superior vena cava? The thing superior means the things which are above. Suppose sometimes we call superior the body superior. The above one means the blood carries the blood from the above side through superior vena cava to the heart, right atrium of the heart. Okay? Then it passes through tricuspid valve. It is called tricuspid valve. So what is the function of valve? The function of valve is it lets the things go inside, but it doesn't allow the things to come out. Like sometime in car or bicycles, valve, what it does? It allows the air to go inside, but it doesn't allow to come out. Same way in heart also, it goes blood to here and then again it goes to right ventricles. So through right ventricles up to here the pulmonary circulation is going on. So through here there is one vein, it is called inferior vena cava, IV inferior vena cava. Up to here, it is what? It is pulmonary ventilations, pulmonary circulations. So, up to here it is clear? Pulmonary circulation, it is about deoxygenated blood. Now, there is one we call systematic circulation. Systemic circulations, here you can see the diagram, the blood are moving. This is deoxygenated blood and this is oxygenated blood. So, I will again elaborate through diagram. So, up to here, you have seen that blood has goes to lungs. Then, what is the function of lungs? The lungs purify the blood. It purifies deoxygenated blood to oxygenated blood. Now, blood becomes oxygenated. Then it goes from here to left atrium. Then left atrium, it is oxygenated blood. Then again it goes from bicuspid valve to left ventricles. So it is pure blood. Then we body need the pure blood again. We don't need the impure blood. So what happens? Here is the biggest artery. The biggest artery. It's called aorta. Here is aorta. So aorta supplies blood to whole body. And this function is called systemic circulation. The function which through the heart supplies oxygenated blood to body, it is called systemic circulation. Now we will go to hepatic portal circulation. The word hepatic again, it is related to gastric or digestive system. So what happens in hepatic? The blood comes from digestive organs to the livers. It supplies from digestive organs to liver. You can see here is liver, here is spleen. So from digestive organ to liver, it passes the blood. So this is known as hepatic portal circulation. The another circulation is called renal circulation. The word again renal means it is related to kidney. The kidney, it is called the renal circulation. When the blood supplies to kidneys, it is called the renal circulation. Okay, students?
Yes, sir.
Now we will go to the functions of heart. So exactly I will elaborate about the function of heart. What is the functions? Why we need it? If suppose we know that the normal function of heart is it supplies blood to whole part of the body. Okay? Then it is we need oxygen. It carries oxygen. It carries oxygen to whole part of the body. Then we get energized. Then again what happens? It controls blood regulations. Suppose we know that there is the systolic and diastolic blood pressure. When we go to doctor, they measure it. What they measure? They give systolic blood pressure. It is near about 120, and diastolic blood pressure they give around 80. So the function of the heart to regulate the blood pressure. So we will come to the summary. Then we have learned about the heart structure, then about chamber, about different layer of the heart. Then we have come to functions of the heart and supplies of the heart. So there are four chambers: right atrium, right ventricles, left atrium, left ventricles. So there are three layers. What are the endocardium, myocardium, and mesocardium? So here is one question for you, student. Here is the assessment. The question is that which is not the wall of heart? Endocardium, exocardium, myocardium, and epicardium. So here you can see the answer. What will be the answer? It is answer B. The exocardium is not the part of the layer of the heart. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Here you can see the answer. It is exocardium. So thank you for listening me and bearing me. Hope I will take next class about the functions and different diseases related to the heart. Thank you. Have a nice day. Okay, students.